I just wanted to say we also came to you our deepest gratitude done for restoring the relationship between Israel and Turkey.
Çok güzel bir sözünüz.
And no doubt that by doing it, put your stone into the existing third temple of Jerusalem for the whole night. I also wanted to express you our joint will in the name of our community and people that the Turkish people. When Jews lived in this country better than any other place in Europe, and we want to bring you this blessing from Jerusalem for what your people have done for hundreds of years here. Thank you very much.
Hazreti Musa'ya sadakat gösterdiniz. Hemen sadakat gösterdiniz. Sizleri çok seviyoruz deriz.
Do our best that Russia and the United States will our message of this terrible desert of hate, terrorism. Maybe the situation in the whole region is not stable, non-stability, but what you are is stable. Our message for today is that during this time of tribulation, those who are faithful and stable will prevail. We say in Hebrew, there is a prophet, but the prophet Habakkuk said, this one will live his faith. He will not just live himself in his faith, but he will bring it to the world. Today will vanish for future generations who are being most stable. Things around are changing, and you are higher and higher and higher. This will be a privilege for us to be a government. Make your voice louder wherever we can. Thank you very much.